Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best cool things for your bedroom in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Brightech Madison Narrow Nightstand with built-in lamp. If you want a lamp with more length but don't have enough space on the floor to commit to a floor lamp, this is the option for you. The 18x18-inch lamp dock saves more space compared to the average nightstand, and its long narrow neck won't crowd your tabletops either. With the distance from the bulb to the dock, you receive a soft, warm-toned glow, which is great for reading and light study work. Alongside the tabletop, there are 2 shelves that can hold all your bedside necessities such as books, phones, chargers, and more. As it's made of all wood and ceramic, it will blend in perfectly to any room with whichever theme. Number 2. Our second best pick is Rubbermaid Custom Closet Organizer System. After bedrooms, the most frosting part of the house to organize is the closet. Luckily, we have just the right organizer for this issue. This 4x8 feet closet kit comes with multiple shelves, racks, and rails that are all adjustable. Whether it's clothes, shoes, accessories, or bags, you can put them all in your closet with space to spare. With this kit, you can get the most out of your closet space while keeping all your things organized and within reach. Fits any walk-in or reach-in closet if at least one wall 4 to 8 feet wide. Telescoping rods and adjustable wire shelves expand to add 22 feet of shelving space and 12 feet of hanging space for optimal organization. All mounting hardware included for easy installation, no cutting required. Number 3. Our third best pick is Prepac Kurv Floating Desk. Desk work can be a pain, but after you replace your boring old desk with this floating one, you'll feel inspired to work on it more. This floating desk comes in various layouts, letting users decide which one they prefer according to their tastes. Handy shelves are incorporated into the design to keep your space clutter-free and organized. You can mount the desk to any height or area in your room to eliminate back pain and shoulder aches. Installation is easy, and it has all the advantages contemporary desks fail to achieve. Fresh white laminate brightens any space. Mount at any height with Prepac's innovative cleat system. Built-in cable and wire management keeps your desktop clutter-free. Spacious side compartments to store books, photographs and other personal items. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Aleen Braided Jute Rug. We've been talking about walls for far too long, now it's time to liven up your floors. And what better way to do that than with this beautiful rug? Jute is a material that never goes out of style. And on this rug it's dyed and patterned in such a way that it brings the perfect amount of color without being too flashy. It's also durable and doesn't develop a musty smell as other rugs do. This 3x5-inch bohemian aesthetic rug is perfect for people who like minimal decoration without too much dullness. You can never go wrong with this classy rug. Crafted with love and care, handmade rugs carry the spirit of the artisans that made them. Each piece is marked by subtle but individual differences that make your rug unique. This durable yet stylish braided rug is perfect for your living room, dining room, kitchen, or hallway. Stylish and versatile, this casual bohemian rug will make a statement in any room. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Bedside Lamp with Bluetooth Speaker. With this product, you'll be saving on the individual prices for a lamp and speaker while also sprucing up the theme of your room. The 2200 mAh rechargeable battery allows up to 120 hours of wireless activity with only 3 hours of charge. You receive 4 different options of light intensity and can select from 16 million different colors. It's touch-activated for easy access and can play any audio via Bluetooth. Plus, it comes with a timer and FM radio for maximum multifunctionality. Superb quality wireless LED speaker, creates a colorful and musical fantasy. Great to be a color-changing table lamp for romantic mood or coffee time, touch bedside table lamp for bedroom, sleeping aid tabletop nightlights for kids, Bluetooth speaker for audiobooks, rechargeable lamp speaker with FM radio for outdoor camping, or even festival decor lighting hung under trees or roofs. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.